up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share the video. Do not forget to follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. Also, hit that subscribe button. One more time, I gotta tell y'all, hit that subscribe button, man. We're on the way to 500 subscribers. The goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. If we don't hit 500 subscribers by May 15th, then the giveaway won't happen. But the set date is May 15th to hit 500. We're doing well. We're well over 400 right now, so we're almost there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you hit that notification bell, you share the video, and you tell your friends. Now, while you are busy subscribing to my channel and following my Instagram, right, I want you guys also to head over to @HypeRoomCT. You'll see it on the screen right here. Head over to @HypeRoomCT. Give them a follow too, because they are responsible for this video today. Or not responsible, but I picked something up from them. This is what this video is today. Now, if you guys have been around since, I guess, the rebirth of this channel this past summer, in July, I think it was, I did a video with them, and they had just opened up last summer. So just so you guys know, it's way different in there. It's dope in there. They got a lot of kicks, a lot of clothes, and even just the interior of the shop looks completely different. Obviously, with the whole
coronavirus
situation going on right now, I'm waiting until everything opens back up so I could go in there, do another video, a follow-up video with them, hopefully more videos down the line, so you guys can see what the store looks like now. But make sure you guys follow HypeRoomCT on Instagram. They have a YouTube channel too. Make sure you subscribe to that and pick something up from them on their website. Now, let's get into this video right away. So you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. I picked up this thing is huge. Can't even get in the damn camera, the whole big ass box. But yeah, that's it. I just put the box in the camera so y'all can see it real quick. Now let me put this big ass thing down. Yeah, that's the box from HypeRoomCT. Obviously, I did pick up a mystery box. You read the title, saw the thumbnail. And this is their $500 mystery box. Now I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here. They have a bunch of different mystery boxes. Just off the top of my head, I know they have a $100 beater box, which is a really cool idea. You could get some beaters, some older shoes to just toss around. They have a $200 mystery box, and I think another $200 beater box. I know there's a $300 box. This one that I have right here is the $500 box, and there is a $1,000 box. So we're gonna go in here and sample and see what we got going on. So let's cut this box open. I'm not gonna cut it open on the camera because it's too damn big. All right, y'all. So we got the box open, and I'm going through. This is my first box from them, the first $500 box I got from them, box period. So I'm going through this experience with y'all. So right now we got this card that comes in the box. HypeRoomCT. I'll put it on the screen right there in case you want to freeze it and read it. But what it says, Hype Room, thank you for shopping with us, with Hype Room, for being part of our amazing community. Post a picture on IG of yourself and your purchase, tag to be featured on our IG story, and for free shipping on your next purchase. So that's awesome. Make sure you guys, if you ever pick anything up from them, you follow the rules here. Post on your story, post on your Instagram, whatever, and you could get free shipping on your next purchase, which is dope. The next thing we got in here, this is actually fire. So this is a $500 box. So we're gonna see just what we got for our buck in here. So just off rip, we got an empty bag right here, but you can see it is a Supreme bag. And on the back it says this bag is not a toy. It's pretty dope. So you got some Supreme gear there. Matter of fact, we got 2 of the Supreme bags, which is fire. Now, what do we have here? Big orange Nike bag. Nothing in the Nike bag. Cool. So, yeah, let me put this on the camera. Big orange Nike.com bag. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Haven't seen a Nike bag that big. Let me just throw the bags out the way. Now, let's get into what comes in the actual box. So right away, matter of fact, I'm going to take a picture so you guys can see, because the box is so big, I just can't hold the whole thing up and get it on the camera. But I'm going to take a picture of it. Boom. So you guys can see, and I'll put that on the screen so you guys can see what's going on in the box when you first open it. Now, I'm going to just come out one box at a time. So the first box that I see right here, and I have no idea what these are. And actually, this one right here, I actually had a feeling that this was going to be in the box, which I'm actually really excited about because I never saw these in person. But I did see on their Instagram that they got a bunch of these recently, so this is dope. And obviously, you can see Air Jordan 1 box, and the shoe we have in here is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. And the color is black, tour yellow, and white. So let's just open these up. This is dope. I've actually never seen these in person. Fire. Here they go. The leather on them is actually not bad. It's on par. Oh, this is really like stitched out. This is fire. I'm not even gonna hold you. I might end up buying a pair of these. Like, so, like, these are dope. These are dope. So you can get one of these. And obviously the mystery boxes change with each one you order. It's a mystery box, so you never know what you're gonna get. But these are actually nice in hand. This is a sneaker. When it came out, a lot of people had mixed feelings on. I could see myself wearing this. Now, obviously, so this isn't a review, so I don't want to spend too much time on each shoe. But just real quick, because I love this shoe right here. Obviously, these two are really close. The Bloodline and the Defiant are really close. But I do like how I thought the stitching would be like pressed down on the sneaker, but I don't know if you can see it, how it's like raised. And then you have the yellow swoosh on the inside. So that's dope. That's crazy. Put that back right there. The next shoe, I can already see the box, so I know what it is. You guys can see the off-white box with the holes in it. Oh, this is a Vapor Street. I haven't seen. I was gonna assume it was the waffle racer like the one I have. I've never seen the Vapor Street in person. What size is this? So this is a 10.5 women, 9 men. So that's the other thing. All the sizes are jumbled up, I guess you could say. So it's all a bunch of different sizes. So if they're not your size, you could gift them to somebody. You could sell them. Do what you got to do. Try to turn a profit. But here we go. This is another shoe that I've been looking at on the sneakers app that I was thinking about getting. And now that I see it in person, I almost definitely will get a pair of these. This isn't my size, but I will almost definitely get a pair of these to keep for myself. This is actually way better in person than I thought it was. So this is dope. So far, once again, not a review of each shoe, just a review of the box. But so far, 2 out of 2 hits. Those are fire. And actually 2 shoes that, weirdly enough, I have been thinking about getting recently. So I'm going to pull these out right now because these are pretty relevant with recent drops. And that is the Air Jordan 7 Hair right here. Now, so these just came out. Well, not these just came out, but the 2.0 of the Hair 7 just came out with the gray bunny hair all over it, which is fire. So let me see. What size are these? We got a size 11 right here. So, like, once again, sizes are all mixed up. The Defiant ones were 11.5. These are 11. The Off-Whites were 9.5 in women, so 8 in men's. Then let's see what else we got outside the boxes. There's one more in the box here, but I want to keep it by brand. So right here, we got a Jordan 4. This blue Jordan 4, I don't even know what it's called. But size 6.5 wide, so even youth sizes. You can get some good resale value on those. And I'm not even going to hold y'all right now, bro. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This box is way better than I expected, for real. So my boys Jeffrey down there at Hype Room, man, this is fire. And we're not even, still got 2 more kicks to get through. So right here we got the Jordan 2, which I personally never owned a pair of Jordan 2s. What size? Where even is the size tag in the Jordan 2? Does anyone know? There it is. What size are we working on right here? So 8.5 Jordan 2, purple. I guess court purple-ish, whatever. You got the elephant on the top. I'm not a Jordan 2 dude, so I don't know too much about Jordan 2s, but still, dope to have one that if you want the mystery box, you could get rid of. And last but not least, right here, you see it, the Yeezy 350 Boost, size 10 right here, and the color is clay. So we all know what we're getting here. I want to be careful to not mess this box up when I open it. Yes, sir. Farted on me going back in there. But yeah, these are a size 10. The Yeezy Clay right here. This is tough. The Clay Yeezy Boost. Let me see, bottom right here. We're looking DS. These are definitely not DS. Obviously not DS. It's hard to see through the mask. Give me a break. I do know that they're not dead stock once I took the mask off and got to look at them up close in person. Maybe they were tried on. I can't really tell. The only reason why I'm thinking that they might not be DS is because the stuffing in it has been removed and they got the Air Jordan 11 insert on the inside of it just to keep the shape of the shoe. But dope. So that is everything in this box, y'all. So leave down in the comments what do y'all think about the box? So just to recap everything that we got in the box. So I put the bags over there, but we got the 2 Supreme bags and the Nike bag. We got the Yeezy Clays in the size 8. We got these Jordan 2s. These are size 11. We got some Youth 4s, 6.5 Youth 4s. We got some hair. Those are used. We got some used hair 7s in the size 11. Then we got, let me get back over here. Oop, got everything. Then we got some off-white Vapor Streets, which are tough. Don't be surprised if I end up getting these later in the year. I've actually never seen these. Well, I've never seen this colorway of them in person. I have seen the blue ones in person, but this is dope. So don't be surprised if I end up getting one of these for me. It's my size later. Now let's move on. What else we got? I already talked about the Yeezys, and we got the Jordan 1 Defiance, which actually are really nice in person. I do want to see something on these really quick. I'm like a kid in the candy store right now, so let me get, because I do want to see, yeah, the left shoe. I don't know, I might like the left shoe better just because it doesn't have the yellow swoosh on the inside, but yeah, man, this is dope. Alright guys, so I'm done exploring and drooling over all of the shoes. Once again, like a kid in the candy store. So let me guys know what you think down below about the boxes at Hype Room CT. As I said, this is their $500 box, and you definitely get way more than $500 worth of sneakers, which is dope. I mean, retail $220 right here, retail $175. I know these are going for less. Retail $150. We're already over $500 right there, and we didn't talk about the hair 7s yet. We didn't talk about the 2s yet. We didn't talk about the where are they, the Youth 4s yet, the Supreme bags in there. So that is dope. Great bang for your buck. Make sure you guys hit up Hype Room CT and follow them. I will be doing, like I said, when this quarantine is over, I will be doing another in-store video with them. Really impressed with everything that came in the box. I'm not even sure what I was expecting, but as you can see, they even have these priced right here. So size 10, they have them priced at $280 right here for a DS pair of these Yeezys right here. So for a $500 box, you get a $280 shoe. That's, let's round that up to $300. That's 3/5 of your $500, right? And these right now, if you want to get these off-whites, that's $150, right? Boom. So that puts you to $150 plus, we'll say, all right, we'll use the 280, so we'll go $150 plus $280. Let's do the math. That's $380. That's $430. Then we got the Defiant ones. I know those are only going for like $110 right now, but that right there puts you at $550. So just bang for your buck. This is dope. Obviously, if you want to resell, if you're looking for gifts for anybody, this definitely 10 out of 10 recommend getting one of their boxes. Really excited to see what other boxes look like moving forward. Let me know if you guys bought anything from them. And you'll probably have already seen me post about this stuff on my Instagram. But that is it for this video, y'all. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget, man, we need to get to 500 subscribers by May 15th to do this giveaway. If it's not by May 15th, then it doesn't matter. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Make sure y'all go and follow Hype Room. Their Instagram is at Hype Room CT. You'll see it on the screen. I'll put a link to it down below in the description. Make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channel, and you just check out their website. Let me know what you guys think once again down below in the comments. As always, I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, and it's all about the sneakers.